Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving basic access. Ping the remote host, confirm DNS resolves, and make sure remote desktop is enabled on the target machine. Once done, check that port 3389 is not blocked by the host firewall or network ACLs. Open it only if required. Next, verify the account. Use domain/user or user at domain and test credentials locally or via console. If you cannot log in locally, reset the password and try again, because credentials are the common culprit. Now dig into security and service layers. Examine network-level authentication. Temporarily disable NLA to isolate whether the problem is pre-auth versus session creation. Make sure certificates are valid. An expired RDP cert can block logins. Clear cached credentials in Credential Manager and delete any saved. RDP credentials, then restart the remote desktop services, term service, so changes apply. Also confirm the RDP listener is bound to the right interface and port 3389. Misbound listeners prevent authentication even when credentials are correct. Finish by validating from a clean client. Use msdsc/admin or a different PC and import a fresh RDP file without saved credentials to avoid cache interference. Then review event viewer entries under terminal services for specific error codes that tell you whether the failure is network, credential, or certificate related. If problems persist, create a local test user and try connecting, or temporarily relax NLA to see if authentication completes. If that works, re-enable NLA and address the certificate or domain trust issue as the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.